Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and also share this video. So Senior Kelly Khumalo has finally spoken out for the first time about social media and the public deciding to cancel her music. Kelly Khumalo said that no one but God can cancel her, you guys. Kelly Khumalo has been cancelled off 2 gigs already this week. She had a message for the public, and this is what she had to say.
So, I was going through social media this morning and I saw a post with someone saying that a particular individual deserves a second chance, and I was like, okay. First of all, no one has the right to even say that anyone deserves a second chance but God. And God doesn't just give second chances, He gives multiple chances. And the same thing goes for the cancel culture. Irrespective of how you feel about a particular individual, it does not matter. If God chooses to bless them, He will bless them in the middle of your cancellation. God doesn't cancel, He gives chances for one to, do self introspection, realize their wrongs, learn from them, and then come back stronger. That's what God does.